Hi, I'm Maria, and he is Gustavo, and we are V-Coders. And we will be introducing Smarthealth. The sponsors that we will be used are sensors from Intel, WebRTC from Bandwidth, Sonar from Equal Network, and SMS API from Ericsson. The general idea is build a fitband and a headband to collect the data from our body and take some actions based on this information. We will be using the existing smartbands and this information from these devices. And we will be building our own devices, a fitband and a headband focused on monitoring EEG signals. To do that, we will be using Intel Galileo board to prototype, heart rate monitor, EEG sensor, GSR sensor, AMG sensor, and a differential amplifier.
Okay, the idea is create a mobile application to receive the information from the devices and using the Bluetooth Low Energy Protocol and using this information to handle different notifications. We use WebRTC for notifications related with call. For example, if one notification from the device is a disease from the person, for example, I don't know, an issue in the street, we call 911. Or, for example, send a message to the contact person using the Ericsson message API. In the case the WebRTC using bandwidth. And for the data that collects the devices, we will use Sonar. Using Sonar, we can collect the information and take actions based on the information. The information in this case is related with our body, so we can take actions using this data.
So to extend a little more about Sonar, we will be using this information. The idea is that hospitals or clinics can use this information for research or do something about using this information.
Our timeline is first create the mobile application to collect the information, then create our own fitband, the headband. In this case, our main goal is use the EEG information, for example, in a band for the baby, so we can notify when the baby is not sleeping, or if has apnea or the heart rate, and then integrate the information with the hospital, so we can add to the patients the band or the fitband and see the life of the patient in the hospital and take actions on that. For example, if the person has Parkinson or has Alzheimer or different disease related with that.
In the future, we will love to do some research about dream hours. We think our brain knows everything about our health and everything about our body. Even I don't know, if we have some disease, sometimes the body doesn't experiment anything, but we think our brain knows about this before the person experiment physical symptoms. We are V-Coders. Thanks for everything.